Question: did you know you can create a bootable pen drive device using the command prompt? Gone are the days when people used to download third-party software just to create a bootable pen drive device. Hello, I'm Nokwa. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a bootable pen drive device using command prompts in Windows 10. Now let's get started. To make it easier for you to do this, you will need a pen drive of size not less than 8 gig. Insert the pen drive into the machine. After that, click on the start button and type in CMD. Open CMD as an administrator. Click yes to open. Once you have the CMD open as an administrator, type in this part and press enter. Once you are in the disk part section, list the disk by typing in list disk. This shows you the various disks that you have installed or that you have in this machine. Now the pen drive that we installed is a 16 gig pen drive. You choose the drive that you want to create the bootable on. So in this case, we are choosing this one since that is the pen drive I inserted in. So we select this one and press enter. Now you get the information that this one is now the selected disk. Now once you have selected disk one and it's now the selected disk, you type in the command clean and press enter. After cleaning everything on the drive, you create a partition on the drive. So type in create partition primary, or in other words, you can type in create par drive. So create par drive, partition, par for partition and drive for primary. Then hit enter. The next thing you have to do is select the partition. So let's say we don't know the number of partitions here, so let's list the partitions. So list par. Now the only partition here is the partition 1, so let's select partition 1. Select par 1. Now we have partition 1 as the selected partition. Now the next thing we have to do is to format the partition. So we type in the command format fs equals ntfs. To make it very quick, we add quick so that we don't wait for longer time for it to finish formatting, and then press enter. Now we have the message that this part successfully formatted the value. The next thing we can do is to enter active or type in active to make the volume active. Now we have the message that this part marks the current partition as active. Once we have made the volume active, the next thing to do now is to type in assign and press enter. The USB window will be open for you. Open another window. And browse for where the image is. Say this is Windows 10. Then you copy all of these files and drag them into the USB folder or the USB window. You copy all of the Windows files and drag them here. You go back to the command line and then type in exit, another exit again, and you wait patiently for it to finish copying. Once it's done copying, you are good to go. This is how you create a bootable pen drive device using the command prompt. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment and also share the link to your friends. Until we meet again, bye bye.